Welcome to week 4 of Marketing Online. A few things. This week we are starting Unit 2 and 201. We're talking about product service management. There are so many products out there, and have you ever put in the thought, how do we get the products? Who decides what products will sell and what products don't sell? It was interesting. I was with my grandfather last night, and he was watching the NASCAR race, and they were having a throwback race, and they had a lot of toys from the 80s and 90s that they had their kids trying out, and my kids kept saying, well, what is that? What is that product? Did you ever play with those things? What makes a product last long term versus something that's just a trend for a short time? What do you look at? What do marketers look at when they're trying to choose the product or services to offer to build their business? There's a lot of products out there that are just trends, but if you want to talk about long-term products, let's look at something like tennis shoes. Why would I choose a Brooks over a Nike? Or why would you choose a Nike over a New Balance? These are long-term products that don't stay the same. They have to live up to our expectations, so we'll keep buying them. And what features do they have that we keep coming back to them? Are you brand loyal? Are you loyal to a brand? Is that why you buy that specific shoe? Or does it matter to you? So that's what we want to look at in product service management. You do have a lot of vocabulary to understand. It has to do with brands and the types of products and brands that are out there to help you understand this content. So 201 there's 2 sections from the book and 2 quizzes in this one section. Another thing that I want to talk to you about, please utilize all that you have, all the tools in your haiku. The only way to fail this class is to not do the work. It's very, very hard to fail this class. In fact, the only way to fail is to not do anything. So as long as you're working and doing something, and how do I know where I need to be? I've had that question this week. How do I know where I need to be? Well, you can always look at your weekly announcements, and I tell you here, I've told you 201 is up and ready to go. I'll let you know when your progress reports were published. There's always the calendar that is up to date, and it shows you that everything through Unit 1 was due today, and by next Monday you should have done 2.01. The end of the 6 weeks is just around the corner, so you need to be getting caught up if you're not. Also, the grade book. It shows you exactly what you have and don't have a grade for. And I wait until the Tuesday after everything is due. So tomorrow I'll go in, and anything that you haven't done through Unit 1, I put a backslash. And what that means is, hey, you forgot to do this. Please come back and do it. It counts as a 0, so it catches your attention. And it shows you the work you need to make up. I do everything I can to try and make this as easy and accessible to you as possible. If you are struggling, it is best for you to get in touch with me as soon as possible and let me know why. I know I have one student who has had a computer issue, and she and I are working through that. I don't mind helping you, but I can't help you if you don't talk to me. If it's just time you need, let me know that. Tell me, I know I'm behind. I just need time. Send me a message through Remind. You can message me through here in the inbox or through email, however you want to do that. But I can't help you if you don't reach out to me. So please remember that we're moving pretty fast through here, and if you have any questions, concerns, or just need to let me know why you're behind, get in touch with me this week, ASAP, and I will be happy to talk with you and help you as much as I can. I hope that you're enjoying this class. I hope that you're learning. So, again, I'm here for you. Let me know how I can help.